Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing hundreds of new TikTok followers overnight, all from one simple ad you set up today. That's the power of TikTok ads when you know how to use them correctly. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact steps you need to run TikTok ads that actually bring followers fast. No guesswork, no wasting of money. In case you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Popka Innocent. On this channel, I teach step-by-step tutorials on how to run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and TikTok ads. So if you're interested in learning social media marketing the right way, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the subscribe button below, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my next social media marketing tutorial. Have you done that now? Alright, let's continue. Open your TikTok app, switch to the particular TikTok account you want to run the TikTok ads on. At the top right hand side, you will see the menu bar here. Click on the menu bar. You will see the TikTok studio right here. That is where you can promote your page. And you can also promote your page right here on Business Suits. Okay, now let me show you where you will see the promote button on these two places. Now, if you click on TikTok Studio here, you will see the promote button right here. If you click on this promote button, you'll be able to run your ad. But I like using that Business Suit. So if your TikTok account is a business account, then go back to this menu, click on menu again, then select Business Suit. I like promoting with Business Suit. Now you're at Business Suit, you will see analytics right here, growth center, and all the rest. Our focus is on TikTok ads, so let us go with this promote button right here. Now, if I click on dashboard, you will see several TikTok ads that I've run here. This is my dashboard. It's loading. Okay, so you see these are ads that I've run on this particular account. Okay, if I scroll down, you will see more of those ads. Now let's go back to create. If you click on this create button right here, you'll be able to create an ad. The first thing you need to choose is your ad goal. You will see choose a goal here. When you choose your goal, there are different goals here. This is boost account. Remember, the purpose of this video is to create TikTok ads that will give you TikTok followers. We are going with this boost account. And for that, you will select more followers as your goal. If you're not going for followers, then you can get sales. That is for those who want sales, or you can get leads for those who are going for leads. So let's stick with the objective of this video. Select more followers. After selecting followers, the next thing is to select your creative. For your creative, you have to record your video that you will use for your ad before you come here to set up your ad. So you record a video, upload it on TikTok, and you will see that video among your videos here. So you can just swipe to select the particular video you want to use for your ad, then click on it to select it. For TikTok followers ad, the best creative is a short video, 5 to 10 seconds video, where you clearly show viewers what they will get if they follow your page. Example, let's assume you're into entertainment. The video creative will be a short, funny, interesting skit with a clear call to action at the end of the video that says, funny skit every single day. Hit the follow button so that you don't miss out. With that, any viewer who has watched the little you have shown will be interested in following you for more. You can apply this in any other niche in case you're not into entertainment. If you don't know how to draft the video ad creative for your own niche, comment below and I will give you the exact video ad creative idea you need for your TikTok followers ad that converts. So after selecting the particular video you want to use for your TikTok ad, scroll down. The next thing is to choose your budget. That is the promotion pack. There are different amounts you can use for your TikTok ad. TikTok ad is quite cheap, so you can decide to use 910 naira. Depending on the country you're watching from, you will see it in your currency here. I am in Nigeria, that's why you're seeing my local currency naira right there. If you don't want to use this cheap package, you can use the most popular one here, which is 1,806 naira per day. If you don't want to use that one, then you can customize and select the particular amount you want to use. Okay, so I am choosing 1,860 naira package. Then if you scroll down here, you are going to see your balance. I already have some coins. TikTok uses coins. That coins has monetary value. You can see that I have a balance of 609 naira coins here. So for you to run TikTok ads, you have to buy the coins. If if you deduct my coin balance from the actual amount I'm to pay for the ad, you will see that I have this balance left. So for me to run this ad, TikTok wants me to fund my account. They want me to buy coins that worth this amount. That is why you're seeing this pay button right here. You need to note that for your TikTok ad payments, for you to pay this amount, you must add a card, which can be a debit card or credit card, to your Google Play Store, or if you're using iOS, you must add that card, and that card you will use it to pay, or you use it to buy these coins for you to run the TikTok ad. Okay, so see what I'll do now. Click on this pay button to buy these coins. It's loading. Now you need to select a payment method, which is going to be a credit card or debit card. So click on this, enter your payment information here. So I'll enter mine now. For security reasons, I will cover those details. So after entering your payment information up, click on this confirm button down below to confirm your payment. I've clicked on the confirm button. It's loading now. It's processing. The payment is successful. I use a MasterCard. You can see the ad is now in review. Just as you can see under review right here, your order is under review. We will let you know when it is done. So the moment they finish reviewing this ad, they are going to approve it and it will start running. If you have any questions, just comment below and I'll reply to all your questions. Don't forget to like this video if you have not done that.